Greetings, AP Calculus. This is our wayfinding video for Unit 5. Unit 5 has 12 lessons in it, but some of them make sense to combine into a single lecture. So we should be finished in a little over a week. Let's take a look at what we're doing. All right, Unit 5, Analytical Applications of Differentiation. You can see that we have our unit planner, which will go over different topics that we'll be covering. We're going to look at how derivatives can be used to describe the shape of the graph of a function. First and second derivatives can tell us a lot, and it will help us locate maximum and minimum values. So we'll be covering two standards in the AB Calculus curriculum: how to analyze behavior with derivatives, and optimization, finding the worst or best case of certain situations. The first 7 sections will be covered before our first formative. We'll be using the mean value theorem, and then the extreme value theorem, and looking at extremes, critical points, which help us locate extremes, and how to determine absolute extremes. And then we'll look at increasing and decreasing functions and concavity. So we'll have a couple of practice tests before that first formative. After that, we will move on to the second half of the unit, where we will look at 5.08 to 512, how to sketch graphs and their derivatives, and how to connect a function, its first derivative and its second derivative, both by equations and as looking at their graphs. Then we'll look at optimization, a couple of topics there, but it'll really be one lecture. And finally, we'll look at behaviors of implicit functions when our x's and y's are all mixed together. So, 2 formatives. First one we want to get to by Wednesday, and the last one over the weekend, leaving us time next Monday for the summative. And that's it. Hope you're all doing well, and I'm excited to continue working through this interesting subject.